How to create a freelancer account on Fiverr. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's topic I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own freelancer account on Fiverr.com. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just get on with the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to Fiverr.com. So once you're over to Fiverr.com, you will see this website in front of you, and as you can see there are a lot of things going on over here. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is just simply create your own account, and how you create your account is by simply clicking on the join button at the top left corner right over here. So click on join, and over here you will have 4 options. So you can either connect your account with either Google, Apple or Facebook, or you can just simply enter in your email address. Whichever one you choose, it doesn't really matter because it gets the job done. So I'm just simply going to enter in my email address. So once you've entered in your email address, it will then ask you for a username and your own password. So I really want you guys to think about your username, because on Fiverr it is one of the only things that you cannot change once it's created. So you have to really think about your very own username, make it professional and make it a little bit more related to your own topics or the field that you specialize in. So if you're basically a writer, then you should relate your name to the field of writing. The same goes for YouTube or other video creation. I'm just simply going to enter in my name, and once you've done that, as you can see, you have created your account. So the next thing that I want you guys to do is activate your account. So you can do that by going over to your email address and then just clicking on the verification button that the Fiverr has sent to you. And if you don't do that, you won't be able to bid on any jobs and you can't progress any further into this video. So if you've arrived at this point, just pause the video and go to your email address and then just simply verify it. I'm going to do that right now. So once you've activated your account, we can now move on with the video. So the next thing that I want you guys to do is come over to your profile. So click on this button over here, your profile button over here at the top left corner. Click on it and then just simply click on profile. Now over here, as you can see, we have a very empty profile. Now we have to fill out all these different things. So the first thing that I want you guys to fill out is add your very own profile picture. So just simply click on this camera icon and then just simply select the picture that you want to use. I already have this picture ready, so I'm just simply going to use this picture. Wait for it to upload and load, and as you can see, the picture has been loaded, and we can move on to the next steps. So scrolling down, you have your description, you have your languages, you have your linked accounts, your skill, your education, your certification. Also you have this small detail. Basically you can write a one-liner that describes you or your skill best. So you can write anything. So for me, so as you can see, what's your story in one line? So for me, I'm basically a video editor. So I'm just simply going to write video editor, and I'm simply going to click on update. And as you can see, the video editor is ready. So the next thing that I want you guys to do is come down below, and over here you have your description. So you basically need to enter in your description. Now over here, you don't have to give a brief introduction. You can write as many details as you want. Basically, whatever helps you and your profile to stand out more. So you can add your hobbies, your expertise, your other skills, whatever you want, you just write about here. So let me go ahead and write something about myself and I'll tell you guys. Now, as you can see over here, I've given a brief introduction about myself and my experience over the past couple of years. So I've basically wrote that, hi, my name is Osama Hashmi and I am a freelance video editor and I have an experience for about 4 years, and I have also been working on Upwork as well. So if you want someone who is reliable and can make your video stand out, then feel free to let me know. Warm regards, Osama Hash, my username over here. So once you've done that, simply click on update and your description will be updated. So the next thing that I want you guys to do is add some of the languages that you use. So your basic language is English, add a new language. So click on that. Also edit your English. I'm quite fluent in English as well, so edit that out as well. If you know any other languages, just simply add as many languages you want. It helps to stand out your profile even more and gets you a broader reach of clients as well. because a lot of clients are also looking for people with specific languages that they can feel comfortable when talking to. So if you have multiple languages, then please, as many as you want, and also make sure you know them as well. So the next, you have some of the accounts that you would like to connect. So basically, if you have all these accounts, you can connect them all, because basically it will help your clients and the people you work with contact you better. So if you have Stack Overflow or Facebook account, Google account, Twitter, whichever account or whichever social media or whichever platform you use, just simply connect them and you're good to go. So the next thing that I want you guys to do is scroll down and you will see skills, and I want you guys to add your skills. So click on add new, and over here, as you can see, simply type in the name of your skill and the level of experience, and then just simply click on add. So I am a video editing, experience level is intermediate, add new skill, motion graphics, intermediate, add. And I've also written quite a lot of scripts in the past, script writing, color grading, intermediate, add. And there you have it. You can also add these as well. So I know a little bit about graphics design, but I'm not even a beginner level, so I'm not going to give my clients fault. So just simply going to add the skills that I'm comfortable with. So make sure you also do that as well, guys. Make sure you add in the skills that you are most fluent in, because you don't want to give a bad impression or a false hope to your clients, because if you do, you're going to waste your time and their time, and then you'll get a couple of bad ratings or reviews on your profile, and then your profile will not go at the top. It'll keep coming down and people will see how, then you will not get any work. Then you'll probably have to create a new profile if you want. But make sure when you do freelancing work, you have to be truthful, you have to be honest, and you have to be competent as well. Next thing that I want you guys to do is add in your educations. That is basically how you add your own education. If you have more degrees, you can add them. It'll make you look more professional as well. So I basically have this degree. I think it's enough. So for certifications, if you have some certificates, you can add in. So I don't basically have a certificate, so that's basically it. So if you have other certificates that you want to add, you can just add in more. It'll make your profile stand out, as I have said before, and that's basically it. So once you've added all the information, what I want you guys to do is come over to at the top, and before I forget, guys, this is also a great way to boost your profile. So basically, you earn badges and stand out. Basically small tests that you can do to verify and get badges, and it will help you boost your sales by boosting your expertise. So if you want, you can do that as well. As you can see, we have a couple of different badges. So let's just check out or click on enroll now. Wait for a few seconds. And as you can see, it's basically courses that people are selling for various amounts of money that you can get. So if you basically completed a course, then you will earn that badge, and then you can use that badge and get more clients and stand out on your profile. So I don't know how effective that basically is, but I think it is worth the try. Plus it's not even that expensive. As you can see, this one, it has build a professional website with WordPress for just $32. This one is how you can sell on Amazon step by step to FBA, $51. It has 4.1 rating as well. So if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So having said that, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, goodbye.